Making cleaning easier is what Tennant equipment is all about, and nowhere is it more evident than with the T600 walk-behind floor scrubber. Featuring a durable exterior and a corrosion-resistant scrub deck, the T600 is the workhorse of scrubbers, with two large-capacity 121-litre and 140-litre tanks for longer gaps between drinks. This popular unit also brings together a suite of innovative technologies that combine to reduce costs and increase productivity. With its disc, cylindrical and orbital cleaning heads, the T600 can clean virtually any hard floor surface, and it'll keep cleaning for longer with the available Smart Fill battery technology. The T600, the robust, water-smart and intelligent way to clean.